Hi guys, welcome back to Reese Challenges Build. Quick update how my workshop looks right now. So I have added this kit holder with my 2x4 scrap wood, a clamp holder. It says DeWalt. I just put that. The screwdriver holder. I had my screwdrivers up there that had zip ties on them. Over here I did a bunch of upgrades. I got this, and this, as you know, in the morning today. My screwdrivers are, everything's in here. And right now, and this is how my lumber pile looks right now while I had it organized. But the work that I did is, look, welcome to the biggest pile of sawdust. So this is the wood that I used to drill holes for the bit holder and for the screwdriver holder. My impact driver and my drill are right here. I have to organize this. Also, I changed one thing that I really wanted to show you guys. Well, I changed this wood. Now it's better and it's new. Well, I was missing some. This wood was small, a little bit smaller, so I had to cut another piece of wood with my handsaw and just clamped it down. As you can see, I clamped it down. So yeah, that's a quick update, guys. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.